of crying, times of laughing, and a time of dying. And I know that my time will come, but when it does, don't you start crying. 'Cause we're all dying, and I don't know what to do but living my life to the fullest with you. I'm crying, yeah, I'm fighting around this road, 'cause I realize I've been dying from the day I was born. Well, there are people who try to bring you down, and people who've been acting like a clown. But everything happens for a reason, and I don't know why, but I do know is that we're all dying, and I don't know what to do but living my life to the fullest with you. I'm crying, yeah, I'm fighting around this road, 'cause I realize I've been dying from the day I was born. Yeah. When I'm down, I'm up. When I'm proud, I'm crying. When I'm talking like shit, then I won't start lying. When I'm sniffing my coke, when I'm drinking my beer, let me go. 'Cause everybody got some shit in their lives, but it doesn't matter, 'cause it will be right. And I know that life isn't easy, but it will be right. When I look at a picture, the flames on fire, my heart is burning from a constant desire. 'Cause I miss you, but nobody knows why I'm crying. 'Cause times of goodness and times of crying, and time of laughing and a time of dying. And I know that one day my days will be over. Well, I eat when I'm hungry, and I drink when I'm dry. If someone don't shoot me, then I'll live a long time. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh no. Oh no, oh no, yeah. there's sickness in your kindness. I feel hopeless and afraid, and I don't know how to fight it, 'cause your good side makes me stay. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, yeah. I hear the train a-comin', it's right around the bend, and I ain't seen no sunshine since I don't know when. Yeah, I'm stuck in Folsom Prison, and time keeps dragging on, but that train keeps rolling on down to San Antonio. When I was a baby, my mother told me, son, you always be a good boy and don't ever play with guns. But I shot a man in Reno just to see him die. And then I'll bet there's rich folks eating in a fancy car. They probably drinking coffee and smoking big cigars. And I knew I had it coming. Oh, I came to be free, but those people keep on moving, and that's what tortures me. If they freak me from this prison, if the railroad track was mine, I'd probably move it up a little farther down the line, far away from Folsom Prison. That's where I wanna stay, and I let that lonesome whistle, baby, blow my